This video tutorial is all about the ballistic curl switch squat. So start with your Mace globe on your right hand side. See that your elbows are equidistant from your trunks. We're not kind of here, but we're actually here. Start to pull your Mace apart underneath your hands, lengthen through the crown, and then come to a prayer position. Hold here, keep your structure, keep your glutes on, slide your opposite hand down the Mace, and then think about ripping for a moment and then crushing your Mace together. This is known as the ballistic curl switch. We're aiming to transition the Mace nice and smoothly, keeping it right at the center line. We'll go through the instructional piece and then we'll hit a 2-minute interval with an option for a 360 swing as well. Once you have the ballistic curl squat down, you can hip hinge coming into a squat, keeping your Mace relatively close to your trunk. As you come up, squeeze your glutes on, ballistic curl switch, and squat. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. So this is our beginner's option. If you're familiar with Mace swinging, you've checked out other programs like our Steel Mace Flow program, and you have a 360 swing in your practice. You can choke up if you need to or reference other materials. Block, dump, pull, land in that warrior stance. Bottom hand catches, crank your Mace into that position 2, find your squat, stack, top hand on top of the bottom. Block, dump, pull, bottom hand catches, use the leverage. So this will be our level 2. Again, only if you've worked 360 swings and you feel ready, otherwise stick with your ballistic curl switches. All right, let's get ready for our intervals. I'll demo the first minute with ballistic curl squat switches, and we'll go into an option for 360 swings. You'll hear a 5-second countdown. Stay with me. Ballistic curl switch, rip and crush. Keep your Mace close to your trunk. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Power breath. Work on that crown to coccyx alignment. Think about tearing the mat apart or the floor apart underneath your feet, radiating energy and activation into your hip sockets. Continue to move with your breath. Really work on that strong shoulder girdle. So really want to feel not out here, but in here. Add to your speed when you're ready. Try not to overly look forward, but keep crown coccyx alignment, tucking the chin slightly, keeping a neutral curve. See that your hand goes all the way out to the edge of your Mace. It's all about conditioning, building that strength, that stamina, stability, strength, and control. Couple more seconds, then we're getting into that 1-minute zone. You can stay here with ballistic curl squat switches, or if you're wanting to try the 360, block, dump, pull, anchor, bottom hand catches, rotate, find your position 2, squat, stack, drop, dump, pull, alternating sides. Eventually you want to find that smooth transition where your Mace continues to travel, but you use the leverage. You generate torque to pull it down. At no point does my Mace drop. I'm pulling my Mace apart here as it transitions, landing in that position 2. Block, dump, pull. You can do a double exhale, breathing out in both directions, or eventually start letting the exercise breathe you. Finish strong. When you're ready to recover, keep your Mace in front, under over grip, chug it out, inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale. 30 seconds of rest before we move to our next, switch sides, our next exercise. You can aim to do this entire circuit in a row. You can pick parts of it. You can integrate your other training. This is meant to be instructional tutorials for your practice.